You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 7/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -2. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals 7/4.